Hello, everyone. I'm Tanya, and welcome to Adventures of Spirits, where we learn, taste, and drink cocktails with spirits and wines from across the world. Today, we'll be making the chocolate martini.
Perfect.
So today we will be making the chocolate martini. And as we most know that the martinis are usually made with gin. That was the original mixture. However, we will not be using gin today. We will be using vodka. I will have a martini segment in reference to that, and we'll know all about the martinis and the history of that in a different segment in a few weeks. But for today, we will be focusing on vodka with martini today, chocolate. So Van Gogh, Dutch Chocolate. Van Gogh is actually a company that's been around for the last few decades, and they actually specialize in vodka. They actually have over 25, well, they have 25 expressions ranging from flavors such as Ackee raspberry, wild apple, espresso, Dutch caramel, mango, just to name a few. Today we'll be using the Dutch chocolate for our chocolate martini. So let's start with our mixing. So first thing we want to do is to decorate the glass. So what we're going to do is take the Hershey's chocolate, the Hershey's chocolate syrup, and put it in the glass and swirl it around. Some individuals will usually splatter it. They'll use a spoon to spread it, or some people will do it like salt on a rim of a martini. They'll just dip it in the chocolate and have it around the rim. I find that to be a little messy when it comes time to drink it. So I prefer to do it like most bars will do, which will put the actual syrup inside the glass. So we're gonna start with the glass and just sort of turn it in a circle and sit it over to the side to just let it run down, okay? So now we're gonna move the syrup out the way. Now it's time to make the actual martini. So we're gonna get our shaker. We're gonna add some ice. And the ice is just to chill it. And what we want to do is take 4 ounces of your actual vodka. So basically 2 shots is 4 ounces. So that's 2. That's 4. You now want to take 2 ounces of Bailey's, open, brand new. Two ounces of Bailey's, so basically half of your vodka amount. Some people use Bailey's, some do not. You can use other, some people use Kahlua, some people use other creams. I prefer Godiva chocolate liqueur. So I like to actually use both the Bailey's and the Godiva chocolate liqueur. And as most know, Godiva is so tasty. And here we're gonna use 2 ounces of the chocolate liqueur. You can adjust your measurements based on the size of your cocktail. All right, you want to put top on, and what you want to do is shake until it is chilled. But you don't want to shake too hard, but hopefully some of the ice will either melt, but what we don't want is to put ice chips in the actual drink. But while I'm shaking, just to give you a little history about the chocolate martini and how it became a thing, it was actually created in 1955 by Elizabeth Taylor and Rock Hudson while they were filming Giant. And they actually liked martinis and they liked chocolate. So they decided to mix it together and create the chocolate martini. So, all right, let's pour it in the glass. And I actually like to garnish my chocolate martinis with a Hershey's chocolate bar, little shavings. So I'll actually open a Hershey's chocolate bar. This is actually my sister's favorite candy. She used to eat chocolate Hershey bars all the time with milk, and she used to just let the milk sit there. Like, I don't know how you can drink room temperature milk. I can't do it. I just can't do it. So what I'm going to do right now is just break a piece of the chocolate off because I'm going to save this. But yes, she used to eat just plain Hershey's chocolate. No nuts or no almonds, no peanuts mixed in the bar. She just liked plain chocolate Hershey's. I don't know if she still likes it. She may. Sis, if you're looking at this video, you could comment below. Let me know if you're still into the Hershey chocolate like you were before. And the room temperature milk. Do you still drink milk that way? I don't know. But anyway, I will take my mind is passing me in terms of what this actually is. Will I say a sieve or a grater? Sorry, grater. And I would just grate the chocolate over the drink top. Okay. And there you have it, the chocolate martini. If you haven't yet, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please comment in the comment section. We have weekly videos. Looking forward to seeing you again.